Hello, so in this video I am going to be talking about the Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner Complete Clean, and the scent is Lemon Breeze. And as it says on the bottle, it kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, kills germs for a deep clean, and it's 45% more compared to the 22-ounce bottle. And on the back it just pretty much just tells like what all it can do and what all can clean, like remove soap, scum, deodorizes. Because let me tell you before I go into further details, the scent on this is amazing. One of the reasons why I like this scent, why I even like this period, is because sometimes there are cleaning products out there sometimes with a very strong scent that doesn't really have a scent as far as something like it. How can I explain it? Okay, there's cleaning products out there where you know that it's cleaning whatever that you're trying to clean, but there's no scent behind it, if that makes sense. Like, sometimes with me, I know I like things to be clean, but I also like things to have a nice scent as well. So I'm getting two in a bottle instead of, maybe spraying a cleaning product and then maybe having to spray something so it can kind of cover up that smell. Like bleach, for instance. Like, one of the reasons why I do not like cleaning with bleach, period, is because of the scent is so strong and the smell. Like, I rather, having a cleaning product where it smells good and also that it cleans, so I don't have to worry about going back over and spraying it. It's something that's really powerful and strong as well. This spray that I would say it's strong, but it's not doable where I have to leave the bathroom or have to leave the room when I'm cleaning with this product in particular. And it does smell like lemon fresh, and for me, I feel like not only is it making the bathroom fresh, but it's also cleaning what I'm trying to clean as well. So that's really big when it comes to me. I like things that has like a very strong, well, not strong, but I like things that has a nice scent and it cleans. It does its job. So that's one of the reasons why I really like this product. So using this product throughout your home, you can clean like appliance exteriors, fiberglass fixtures, garbage pails, bathroom tubs. That's what I really use it for. You can use it for like sinks, kitchen countertops. So you don't have to worry about, I know, like the food. You can clean this product. Have I done it before? No, I have not. The only product I've really used it for is for the bathroom. So it's a little full, still full. But anyway, like when you're done taking a shower or whatnot, sometimes I like to spray around so there's not a ring or anything. And my mom instilled that in me. Like, she always sprays every time she uses the bathroom, so it can prevent a ring from happening. And for instance, you just want a clean bathtub, especially when you're taking showers, and there's times when you like to take a nice bath, so you don't have to worry, everything is freshly clean. And do they have the ingredients? I don't think there's any ingredients on the back of this. Yeah. Probably have to look it up before. Yeah, for ingredients and other information, there's the website right here that you can go into further details as far as ingredients. And for like uses, just turn the nozzle on. And then you can also refill, remove trigger spray, pour in a product from refill container, and replace trigger. And the spray surface until thoroughly wet. Wipe with a clean cloth or sponge. No rinsing required. And it pretty much just gives you a list of things on how you can clean and what you can clean, like for instance, like to clean and deodorize, for greasy soil, to sanitize and disinfect, to sanitize, to disinfect, and then rinse all food surfaces with water after use. Does not harm most kitchen, bathroom surfaces, and like on painted surfaces, they're recommending to like use a small product use so you don't actually destroy furniture surface and whatnot. So I mean, And let me see on the nozzle on here too. So yeah, you can, like, if you have little kids around or whatnot, you know, you can definitely turn it off. So I mean, there's something I don't have to worry about, but still, you know, if there's little kids around, you don't want to leave the nozzle on. If you're worried about, you know, you can definitely turn the nozzle off. I mean, kids are smart, but just put it somewhere that they, you know, can get near, used to, I mean, they can easily grab or whatnot. So that's one thing I like, is that it has an on and it has an off nozzle. So, and how it sprays out really well, and it sprays out really easily. I know there are some sprays where there's like foam at the top, or it doesn't give that spray that I really like, but it definitely sprays out evenly and nicely, especially when I'm spraying around the bathtub. And for instance, sometimes I spray around the bathtub and then I'll just, you know, I'll just go about my business. Or sometimes there's times where I spray around the bathtub, use a brush, rinse it, and then I'll spray it around to cleanse it. I just like doing that because it just prevents bathtub rings and any stains or whatnot that may occur in your bathtub, especially if you're living in a home that previous people have lived at before. So, but yeah, anyways, this product is really good. I would definitely recommend it. This is the Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner, and the scent is the Lemon Breeze scent.